What are you saying, people? I am back with you for another video today, and in today's video I'll be talking about how much money you need to start investing in the stock market. So a lot of people ask me, how much did you start investing with? How much do I need to start investing? Is there a certain limit I have to use before I start investing? Is there a certain amount of money I have to have before I start investing? How much exactly do I need? So in today's video I'll be explaining all of that to you so you know exactly how much you need to start investing. So in today's video I'll be talking about how much exactly you need to start investing and what exactly you'll need before you make profits. So of course, like most questions, the answer to this question, it kind of depends on what you want to do. So if you're looking to grow your account until it reaches $100,000, well, obviously you're not going to start investing with 20. Well, it's possible, but you're going to have to work really hard and it's going to take a long time. What I mean is, it depends how much you want to see in what kind of period of time. So let's say you start the year with $50 and your goal is to get it to 200. That means it's got to increase in value by 200%. And of course, this is possible, but you're going to have to be very wise and very picky with what stocks you use. So if you're going to invest in penny stocks, I mean, you can go either way. You could see your money go from $50 to 200 in a day, 2 days. But you could also see it go down to $10, $20 very quickly. So it goes back to my original point. How much do you want to gain and in what period of time? If you say, oh, in 2019, I'm going to start investing January 1st. I'm going to bring $100. I'm going to try and make it into $200, so 100% increase. Yeah, that's very possible. Again, just have to be smart with your investments. I've seen people grow their accounts from $5,000 to $25,000 within 7-8 months. So, like I said before, the real answer to the question is, how much do you want to see your account change by? So I'll go off what I did. I started my account with $750, and my goal was to raise it to $1,000 by the end of the year. So I haven't reached $1,000 yet. It's obviously fluctuated a lot during the year, but it's still a very reachable goal, and I'm still in profit. So it's okay, it's going well. Obviously, it's tough to grow your account, by 30, 40, 50% in a year. But, if you're gonna actively invest, you shouldn't be expecting those kind of returns. If you're gonna passively invest, still shouldn't be expecting those kind of returns unless you're gonna wait for it to, accumulate over various years. So basically, what I'd advise you is, if you want to start investing and you've never done any kind of investing, you've never done any research, you're very new to the game, I'll say, first of all, you need zero money to start investing. And why is that? Because I would advise you to first paper trade. Now, paper trading is the exact same thing as investing. Paper trading, simulation trading, you won't be using your actual money, but you will be using real-time data, real-time analysis, real-time tracking, everything that's going on in the actual market, but you just won't be using your own money. You can paper trade on apps like Stock Tracker, on TD Ameritrade, and on TD Ameritrade you can actually call them and get real-time quotes and get everything set up as if you were investing in the real market. So how much do you need to start investing? If you've never done anything with investing before, you don't need any money, just paper trade. If you've done a little bit of research and you kind of know what you want to do and you're really sure that you want to invest, I'd say start with between $250 and $500. And if you're willing to push it a little bit, then go up to 1,000, start with 1,000. But don't start lumping 5,000, 10,000 in at the beginning of your trading, because you probably lose it very quickly. Just like that, you'll see it's gone. So back to my original point, if you're gonna start with, let's say 250, you wanna go to 500, you're gonna have to be very patient. Patience is very important in the stock game, as I've always told you, as I tell you every video. Patience and the mind games. You're gonna probably be excited when you start investing in the stock market and think, all right, I'm about to grow my account, I'm gonna have stacks, I'm gonna have racks, I'm gonna make so much money in this year, penny stocks all day long, that kind of thing. You've got to remember, if you start investing and you start doing really well at the beginning, could just be beginner's luck. Definitely don't think to yourself, right, I am the next Warren Buffett, I'm about to make big money in the stock market. Another thing you shouldn't do, if you're going to invest in penny stocks, make sure you know exactly what you're investing in, make sure you've done your research, you've checked their products about, you've checked all the details behind the company, and you know exactly what you're investing in. Because you don't want to be starting investing in penny stocks and you might gain big percentages in the first few times you invest, and you might think, all right, Jordan Belfort, here I am. You'll get greedy, or you invest in the wrong penny stock and your money will just go back down. So what I'd recommend for you first, if you've never traded stocks before, start with paper trading. You can do it for as long as you want, and even when you start investing in the stock market, you can always go back to paper trading. No worries. Paper trading is always there, it's always going to be there for everyone to use. Investing in stocks with actual money, well, this is your hard-earned money. So like I said before, you're going to invest. You need to know 100% you want to invest. And you need to know 100% how much you want to invest, what you're willing to do to make sure that you're gonna get your goals. Write down your goals, write down a daily plan, a weekly plan, a monthly plan, and a yearly plan for your goals. You start off with $500, write down a daily plan just to gain 2 to 3%. Write down a weekly plan to gain maybe 5%, monthly plan to gain 7 to 10%, and a yearly plan, I don't know, 15 to 20%. But don't go in with a daily plan of making 10%, 20%. Don't go in with a weekly or monthly plan of making 50% because it's not gonna happen. It's very, very unlikely. And if you do make that kind of money, then good for you, but it's very, very unlikely to do that and to do that consistently. So just to recap the video, how much do you need to start investing? It all depends what your goals are, what your plans are, what exactly you want to do with the money, and how much you want to get from it, how much you want to put in, how much you're willing to risk, and how patient you are with your rewards. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Back tomorrow with another video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, all of that. And I'll see you in the future for the next video. Peace.